Hey, welcome back to another video of me taking you along on a motorcycle ride and commentating on what's happening as it happens in real time. So we are on a national speed limit road that's quite narrow, no road markings, very blind and tight turns, spaces for vehicles to pull in. Shit like this happens all the time where the vehicle in the oncoming lane is just going fast, so I'm keeping well away from those cars. I'm keeping to my side of the road. I'm looking up ahead as to what's coming up and what's going on. I've got a vehicle in front of me that's going in the same direction, so they're usually a good help in terms of telling me what's coming up. So I'm keeping my distance away from the vehicle in front, and I'm using them as a means of telling me what's coming up. If they're putting their brakes on, does that mean that there's a sharp turn coming up, or is there a vehicle coming up? If they're speeding up slightly, does that mean that the road is opening up a little bit? And notice how I say just because they speed up does not mean that the road is actually opening up. I'm just using it as a means of getting clues as to the road up ahead. See, lights went on before I even saw the vehicle in front, so I know something's coming up, either a sharp turn or a vehicle in front, and that's what we're using. So the only way that this will work is if I'm away from that vehicle, if I'm keeping my distance at a safe level. If I'm up in their ass the whole time, then there's no time for me to think about what's going on and react. So I'm just keeping well away. Got a T-junction. We've got cyclists. So here we're slowing it right down. Indicator goes to the left because that's the direction we're going. I'm not going to push myself into that gap. There's no point. I don't know what the cyclists are doing. I'm just going to move up when it's my turn and join the road when it's safe to do so. And as we join the road, we can speed up a little bit, and I'll see you in the next episode.